Well, that was refreshing. Just got done seeing my neurologist who ordered everything under the sun for me, blood work, MRI. He's asking me if, the possibility of me wanting to go back on, the drugs, meaning either, maybe Rebif or Copaxone, Avonex, interferon, all that. He told me about a new one. I forgot the name, but I'm sure when I get home I'll look it up or call his office. And so I am getting total blood work done. He took everything I said serious. He's such a nice guy. I'm getting a MRI done. He ordered that, and it's just a matter of waiting for the insurance to approve the MRI, and then I get to schedule for it. Unlike Mr. A-hole from last week, who's like, and I said, is it normal, like, when you have MS to cry and be emotional? Yeah, you have MS. He just kind of looked at me like, that's a joke. And then I said, is it normal to have pain? And he's like, yes, of course it is. He's, why are you asking me these questions? So I didn't want to do the bad-mouthing fellow doctor to another doctor bullshit crap. It was my peace of mind, and I feel better about the situation, and I know that my primary is 100% fired, and that's it. I'm just never going to go back to him. I'm going to have to seek another primary doctor, which I don't like to do, but it looks like I'm going to have seriously no choice. So that's what I'll do. And I think I just arrived right now to get my blood work. I hope this is it. I can't tell. I don't even see the address. Nice. Okay. Well, I'll figure it out. Anyway, that's my little short update.